All right, so now we are to the application portion of our PICO. So I have cleared a clean, dry area over the incision here. We actually use the Acticoat under as well. So this is the silver that we'll put underneath. I just cut it to size. Perfect. Come back to the mayo that our scrub nurse has set up very nicely for us. So I'll take the PICO here. I like to take off this middle peel away strip first. Then I come down, pull the second strip. We always go port side proximal so that it's easier for the patient to hold the battery pack in a pocket. So then you smooth that down. It's nice silicone, so it's easy to maneuver. Pull the second tab distally, and then you don't have to stretch at all. You just lay it and smooth it out really nicely there. So it lays nicely across the wound. Then we'll take our battery pack here. Just go ahead and screw it on. It's a simple one-click button, so we'll just press once, and then I like to give a little smooth around the white edges before applying any reinforcement to really get a good compressive effect there. We'll get our strips, and what I like to do to make it a little easier for myself for the little end pieces is cut one of these strips right in half. So I'll have those for myself. You can already see without the reinforcements, it's compressing nicely across the wound here. So we'll apply the strips just outside of the white border and smooth those down nicely. Just a little peel and pull. Beautiful. And we'll do that on each side. Nice, smooth. Peels off, and then that's when I'll use my little end pieces for these shorter ends here. So same thing, smooth and pull. And our last one here, put on the end, smooth and pull. And then our last check, you can see it's nice and compressed. Check your little battery pack. We got a green light. Good to go. It's easy as that.